habit and reading comprehension in Sagayan National. Introduction. In Kenya, 74% of students face difficulties, particularly in rural areas, with fewer educational resources, according to Owishin et al. 2022. In Indonesia, the problem more pronounced in rural areas, where 70% of students struggle with basic reading comprehension, according to Rahman 20. In the Philippines, for instance, the 2019 PISA found that nearly 80% of Filipinos failed to reach maximum proficiency level in reading comprehension, according to PISA 2019. And Davao del Norte revealed that 62% of students struggle with reading comprehension, according to Santos 2021. Research objectives. First, to describe the level of reading habit. Second, to describe the level of reading comprehension. Third, to determine which domain of reading habit significantly affect the reading comprehension. Fourth, to determine the significant relationship between reading habit and reading comprehension. Hypothesis. First, there is no significant relationship between reading habit and reading comprehension. Second, there is no domain of reading habit and reading comprehension. Theoretical framework. The more often a student reads, the more likely they are to internalize vocabulary and language structures that enhance comprehension, according to Coe P.B. and Tamer W.E. 1986. Frequent readers use both decoding bottom-up and prior knowledge top-down, efficiently making it easier for them to understand and retain new information, according to Rommel Hart, D.E. 1981. Self-regulated readers tend to use metacognitive strategies to check their understanding, reflect on what they have learned, and organize information more effectively, according to Zimmerman, B.J. 2000. Conceptual paradigm. So this is my all. Uh, this is my all indicators according to independent variable and dependent variable. So an independent variable, we have 5 indicators, which is feeling pressure in reading, the use of time for reading, motivation for reading, effort for reading, interest in reading. And the independent variable, which is reading comprehension, is we have 3 indicators, which is attitude when reading, effort to understand reading, and absorption. Research design. My research design is quantitative, non-experimental, descriptive correlation technique. Population and sample. So, we have at 222 students from Sagayan National High School. Statistical tool. We have mean, person R, and regression analysis. So, this is the all result of our survey. We have 5 items, and the first is feeling pressure and reading with a mean 2.96, with a description level moderate. The use of time for reading 2.81, it's moderate. Motivation for reading 2.75, it's moderate. Effort for reading 2.81, it's moderate. Interest in reading 2.89, it's moderate. With the grand mean of 2.84 and the description level, it's moderate. And in the table 2, we have the dependent variable. We have three indicators. First is attitude when reading with mean 2.91, and the description level, it's moderate. Effort to understand reading 2.75, it's moderate. Absorption 2.82, it's moderate, and the grand mean is 2.83 with the description level is moderate. And the table 3, we have R value 0.52 and the correlation is moderately strong. The R2 is 0.27, the P value is 0.00, and the decision on HO was rejected. Conclusion on relationship is significant. And in table 4, we have 5 indicators, feeling pressure and reading with a p-value of 0.00 and the decision was rejected, and conclusion relationship was significant. The use of time for reading is with a p-value of 0.00, rejected, significant. Motivation for reading with a p-value of 0.00, the decision is rejected, the conclusion relationship is significant. Effort for reading with a p-value of 0.00, the decision was rejected, conclusion relationship is significant. Interest in reading with a p-value of 0.00 and the decision was rejected, and conclusion relationship is significant. Summary: the level of reading habit among students in Cagayan National High School has an overall mean of 2.84 with descriptive equivalent of moderate. The level of reading comprehension among students in Cagayan National High School has an overall mean with 2.83 with a descriptive equivalent of moderate. Conclusion: the level of reading habit is moderate evident. The level of reading comprehension is moderate evident. There is a significant relationship between reading habit and reading comprehension. Reading habits are significant in predicting the reading comprehension among students. Recommendation: first, encourage students to set specific, measurable, and realistic reading goals and build consistency and motivation. Second, provide access to a wide range of reading materials including fiction, nonfiction, and digital content to center the varied interests and enhance engagement. Third, establish a routine or schedule for regular reading activities to develop discipline and foster a habit of reading. 4. Train, train students to use techniques such as summarizing, questioning, and annotating text to improve reading comprehension. 5. Foster a positive and encourage atmosphere where students feel comfortable discussing their reading experience and challenges. 6. Focus on skill development and mastery by incorporating activities that build both vocabulary and critical thinking. 7. Utilize educational apps, audiobooks, and e-readers to make reading more accessible and appealing to teach-savvy learners. 8. Regularly assess reading habit and comprehension level and offer constructive feedback to guide students towards engagement. And that's all. Thank you.